ye can't ban as a ma, obi tinche baby, Musimunja mayenka. She say Appiatse as a Appiatse, a Appiadi and dear Bogoso, explosion ye see we. Wosha a neo mundi baby day, a hen pan and wasn't commoda. A hen and a wasn't commoda. And ne not move for and I'm no more pay hotel. A diama a fairness saying, Bogoso fui, say or now. Na Saglemi affording house. I was Saglemi hey ya Saglemi affordable house near wo hey esi wo peche wo. Na enkrofo nye baby nda. Ha. Enti we no like den because una wo ya aban. Na na una wo ya aban. Una wo ya president of Ghana. Saglemi obi ampam wo se menko ho. Ye bibie ewie dada. O ma ye bibie ewie. Obi fa ne bed ne ne wetima akoda ho. Nti adenti na majai ama Ghanaian citizens. The Bogoso explosion, you've left the people there. Just there like that. You can render them that place for them to sleep for the meantime. But you don't go out there spending millions of cities renting hotels for these people to be sleeping there. It is high time we reason as Ghanaians. And today, a woman said, "A man, Penny John Dramani Mahamana Bain, who did this? But are they preventing you from going there to continue this, or are they preventing you from sending people there to take over the place?" Wait a week now, and you call yourself a president of Ghana. I feel sad for Ghana, and I feel sad for Africa. We have nothing again. We have nothing again. No hope in Ghana again. We have no hope in Ghana again. You have failed us, Nanado. You have failed us. I'm telling you the fact.